Hello everybody to another video. I've tried recording this twice and it's really getting on my nerves. This will look different to you because last time I was not here and I got armor, I bought some food, made a dagger. So yeah, let's journey around here. I need to check my settings. I want to make sure I can have the fastest. I guess I have to do this. I don't like it this small, but I know it'll make my game faster. Oh, holy crap, no, that makes everything smaller. No. No. You do not mess with that. Minimal, I guess. Max frames per second. It's probably what I want to be playing on. Okay, fit is double playing noises. That probably means that it's the game or my computer or something is messing up. So I'll look into that later. I did build a staircase. There we go. That's where I went. Yeah, okay, I missed a turn somewhere. Man, I just keep zoning out. There was something I showed in one of the previous recordings that I'm gonna go show again after I'm done exploring this area. I'm just seeing how far it goes and see if I can find anything good inside. Okay, I'm gonna go back down. Because that is not where I wanted to end up. Okay, who turned the clouds on? Okay. There. I guess that's good. The music is getting on my nerves. I can still hear it, but not as much. My dog just looked at me like, what the heck you doing, boy? Don't snipe me. You're not a registered sniper. Repeat, do not shoot me. Go. Oh, crap. No. Oh, my goodness. What is my frames per second set to? No, I cannot find my frames per second. Okay, I guess it's not telling me, so. Let's get back to what I was gonna do. Okay, give me. Oh my goodness, this lag is making me mad. Get in there. Stop suffocating. That's a good way to say. Yeah, that. What the heck is going on? I so do not understand. Oh man, the video is almost over. Guess this will be called SkyrimCraft episode 2. Pointless?